Open Inshot app and select a blank video. Increase the duration to 6 seconds. Now, let's add our text. Change the color of the text to green. And increase the size to 100. Clip the text to the end and copy it 2 times. Adjust the text accordingly and change the letters. Now, separate the text from each other. And make sure it is clipped to the end. Then save the video. Let's overlay the text video on our main vlog videos. Go to PIP and import the text video. Go to chroma key and drag the key. Increase the strength and shadow to 100%. And add your keyframes. The final step, let's add the soft transitions to all our clips. So let's preview the final results.